Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Stuff. In this video I am going to update my Lee TV LE2 to Android version 10. So let's get started. So let me tell you that I have this Lyco LE2 with Pixel Experience ROM which is based on Android 9. And in this video I am going to show you how you can upgrade any ROM even if it's EUI to Android 10. So first thing that I have already downloaded the ROM and I have placed in my internal storage. I will give the link for the download in the description of this video. First things first, the name of the file starts from Pixel Experience, so that's what you have to flash. So now let's reboot our phone into recovery. First we will power it off. To go to recovery we need to press power and volume up button until we feel a vibration. My recovery is messed up. The photo you will see will not be this one but a different one. It's necessary to install TWRP in your phone before doing this. I will give a link to a video in the description. Now we'll click on install and select the ROM in the package and we'll swipe to install it. This may take around 4 to 5 minutes. I have sped things up for you to save your time. After the installation is done, we'll go back and select wipe and swipe to factory reset, and then we will reboot our system. This may also take up a while, but do not worry, it will definitely boot up. See the beautiful Google logo. And if this thing does not move ahead from this logo, then press the power button for about 10 seconds for it to force reboot, and it will optimize the apps and launch you into the system. This is the Pixel Experience ROM based on Android version 10. Let's set this phone up and show you the features. This ROM supports 4G VoLTE HD calling by Jio and Airtel, and it also supports fingerprint. So let me show you that this is the Pixel Experience ROM based on version 10 Android Q. So let's go to the settings menu and check it. My phone serial number was X526, so you may or may not do it, it doesn't even matter. So let's check the Android version. It's Android 10. It's a fun way to move the Android around here and there, and that's the Q. This version of Android has Android Pill, the small bar in the bottom. So the buttons are disabled and you can enable it in the settings, but for this I'll show you the options for the Pill. The camera is here great, not that great but decent enough to take beautiful pictures. Let me share a sample shot with you guys. So the picture comes out sharp with good details. You can install Google Camera for better photography and videography. I'll give the link in the description. It also has a dark mode, as it's the trend in 2020 that all the latest phones have dark mode enabled system-wide, and this too has system-wide dark mode enabled. So this was it guys. I have told you the process of installation, how you can get it on your Lyco LE2. Thank you for watching this video and hope you have liked this. If you have liked, please consider subscribing, that means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Peace out.